Today is the day. Even though it's 46 degrees outside, I am painting my wheels iris purple, so they're gonna change in the sun. I've been waiting for this for a long time. I just got all this stuff out. I'm gonna do my wheels, and I think I'm gonna do a couple other things. So I gotta go get some breakfast, go to the store, get more black plastic dip for my extra stuff, and we're gonna do it. Wheels are clean. Cars is clean, so I'm gonna dry the wheels out real quick, make sure they're good to go, apply the pre-dip spray, mask off the brakes, pre-dip spray, anti-dip spray on the tires so it doesn't get stuck in there, and then we'll be good to go. I got my can and some warm water. I'm gonna mask off the wheels now. It just actually, sun came out, it's a lot warmer than what it was earlier, so, which is really good. So here we go. And then we're gonna clean the wheels one more time. They're actually really dirty, which is crazy, but here we go. I got a visitor, guys.
Hi.
So I finished up cleaning the wheels, masking off the wheels with the pre-dip spray or whatever, anti-spray. I'm gonna clean them again. You know, I didn't realize how big these calipers were and these rotors. Like, there is no space barely in between, like it's crazy. So hopefully the paint doesn't stick to the bag or any of it. So yeah, here we go. I just said my car's looking so good, and Kaylee said, "Isn't it always?" You're right, Kaylee. Oh my God, I got something on my eye. Yeah, it's gonna look so good. Ah! What you think, Kaylee? Are you excited for the pearl?
Yeah.
For the pearl finish?
Yeah.
Yeah? I am too. On a real note, I cannot wait till I'm done. I'm on my second can. And I gotta do 7. It's taking forever. But you gotta do it right. You gotta do it right. It's gonna look good. So finally I'm done. Looks really good. I think it looks better in person though. So the wheels are done. I'm super happy. I also put this piece on. I had vinyl wrap, but I actually bought the plastic. And I also took off the stickers. I'm gonna put new ones, and my tips are black. My exhaust tips are black. So looks good. It took a lot of work to paint these wheels. So, but I'm happy. It really took a lot of patience, but I thought it was gonna be louder, a lot brighter, but they're pretty subtle, which is a good thing. I kind of wanted them louder, but it'll do for now. Looks way better in person though, so. That's plastic dip, iris purple. That's what that is. So, I'm happy.